Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. So I'm not cooking today. My friends from Capital City Pop, Kris and Elisa, they will be making my recipe for apple strawberry crumble. A little something we put together just to show you how easy these recipes really are. Okay, that's enough from me. Let's get started.
Thank you, Andre from Edible Fitness, for that wonderful intro. This was my first time baking. I've never baked anything in my life. I've made food, but I've never actually baked.
I'm the baker in this relationship.
Yeah. So for that reason, I'll be the one baking because apparently this is a very easy recipe to do.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Are you ready for some apple strawberry crumble action?
I am.
All right, let's get into it. So, I have everything prepped here. Well, Lisa helped me out. I'm wearing an apron that says Under the Sea from The Little Mermaid, which is funny as hell. Kind of looks like I'm wearing a dress. Anyways, so you want to start off with apples, and you want to start with a big bowl, reasonable size bowl so you can fit everything in. You want to put lemon juice on the apples so they don't brown. So first you add the apples, like so. Make sure you add the strawberries next.
How much is in there, Kris?
Cup of strawberries.
And how many apples?
2 to 3.
Yeah.
But you'll see that in the description as everything's put together. So you want to add the cinnamon.
How much?
Half a tablespoon. I think. Anyways, nutmeg.
How much nutmeg?
Tablespoon. I don't know anything about bacon. I'm sorry.
I helped him prep it. So that is a tablespoon, and it's put in just
A quarter cup.
a quart. Yeah.
Yeah. I think this is the maple syrup.
If it's the maple syrup, it's 2 tablespoons.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then this is the vanilla. Yeah, this is definitely vanilla because that was thicker. So. So all the measurements are in there.
And it's 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Yeah. You want to take a spoon and mix everything together.
Ooh.
Make sure it's all mixed up.
That looks super yummy.
It smells amazing too. I can't wait for this to be done. It's gonna be awesome.
How awesome.
It's gonna be so awesome because I made it.
Yeah. Everybody have faith. I'm sure it's going to turn out great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, this is not your typical pan you put in. You put in something wider, porcelain possibly.
Yeah.
From what I've seen from Andre's previous video.
But we don't have, so, and I ain't going shopping right now. So we're going to improvise. So anybody watching this, you can improvise too.
Yeah. And you just want to put everything in now. I'm making sure I'm being careful. Don't want to spill anything on the table. So we already cleaned up the table. We don't want to clean it up again, do we?
Oh, we will be though.
No, probably will.
Because Kris is baking.
Quiet! I kill you!
Silence! I kill you!
Make sure everything's smooth. Okay.
That
Smush
looks
it down.
very nice.
Smush it down
You're
so we have
smushing.
some room.
Ooh, look at that. Kris is a good smusher. I'll give him that.
I'll smush you.
He's very precise.
Yeah. Time for that crumble. We're gonna crumble it up. Let's do it! Alright, so we have all our dry ingredients. We got brown sugar, we got cinnamon, we got flour, we got oats, and we got butter. But you don't put the butter in just yet. You want to put the flour, oats, cinnamon.
How much of each?
Cup of flour, cup of oats, tablespoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of brown sugar. And you're gonna mix the dry ingredients first before you put the butter. Alright, understand?
You're the expert here.
I'm about to see how.
He's been watching Andre.
I've been watching Andre before I did this. Because Andre is the master, I'm not the master.
Andre is the Pokemon master.
I want to be and then you want to put some butter. Now, before putting this in, it has to be softened.
Yeah, so you know how Kris softened it?
put it outside because it's 36 degrees outside today. It's still not as soft as it should be.
You don't think so? Well, I think you're doing a good job. Keep mixing there, bud.
Mixing there, bud. So your finished product should look something like that. So we're gonna slightly pour it in there because I don't know if it's all gonna fit.
You do a pretty good job. I'm actually quite impressed.
Are you impressed?
Yeah.
Do you love me more?
I love you just as much.
Okay.
You've got it.
I just did it. I don't think this is all gonna fit.
It should. Maybe put too much apples. So we need to grab a pan.
I already did.
So put your pan in, and then if it...
Then, if it falls out, it falls into the pan.
Andre's a genius.
Genius!
You did it.
I did it.
Now we gotta cook it. So
you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, as you can see in that little corner right there. And it cooks from 30 to 35 minutes about. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Woo! Okay. Let's go! Is it done yet? Is it done yet? Is it done yet? Is it done yet? Is it done yet?
2,000 years later.
We put it in for 35 minutes because we have a new oven, so the temperature we're not too sure about. It looks pretty incredible. Yeah.
Smells really incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. Is that what Andre's look like?
I don't know. I think Andre's look a little better than ours. But you know,
Well.
first time for everything, right?
We can...
So this is the finished product. We're about to try it, taste test it.
Looks delicious.
It does.
And smells delicious.
Yeah. You ready for your bite? Okay.
That looks like a good bite. What do you
Yeah,
think?
look at it. Mmm. You ready?
It's still a little bit hot, so.
That's incredible.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Husband can cook.
I can cook. I finished it. I
This
did
is
it.
actually delicious. I'm not even kidding
It
you.
is super good. So go home and make your own.
Andre, thanks for making Chris cook for me.
Yeah.
It's well appreciated.
Yeah. But we're gonna finish this and we're gonna let it back to Andre for the outro. So thanks, Andre.
Yeah.
Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.
Kris and Elisa, you guys are awesome. That crumble looks so good. If you want to see more of Kris and Elisa, I'll leave a link to their channel in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. From Capital City Pop, I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.